Hi all, this is Joanne. I just wanted to give you a couple of tips to help you get the highest grade you can on the international project. It's really a pretty easy project, but it's designed really to get you to do some research, to help you to figure out how to summarize, and to learn a little bit about international business activities. So one of the things I want you to do is make sure that you read the entire assignment. And as you can see here, it tells you there's a country snapshot, business background, articles. If you leave that section out, you will lose 30 points, 20 points, whatever it might be. Also, I ask you to use the MLA style of citations. And so, make sure you go to our library website and use those. Another thing that's really important is that the deliverable, what you hand me, needs to be 2 to 3 pages long, plus it can include a 4th page for the citations. So I don't want 5 pages, I don't want 4 pages plus the citations, and I don't want 1 page plus citations. I want 2 to 3 pages plus citations. So make sure you include that. Now I have a little image here of what the paper should look like. So of course it's all jammed onto one page. But I think the important part is that some people have a little bit of confusion with how to insert text boxes here. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. So let's say that I decide to do a paper on Germany. And so the first thing I want to do is put in my country snapshot because that's what I've been asked to do. So I go to Insert here and go over to Text Box. I just simply click on that and I say I'm going to draw my own text box, and I do just that. So once I do that, I can type in the words country snapshot. I can go back and make this bold or maybe a little bit more prominent. Maybe I'll make it in 12 point when everything else is in 11 point, or maybe even higher. That's up to you. And then you can put the information that you need. So we don't want to use that same size again. So we'll go back and make it 11 points like everything else. And then you put in population and a colon. And then you put in whatever the next type of economy, etc. All right, so that's how you do that part. And if you kind of want to make it a little fancier, you can click on the box and change the color. You can change the outline or the shape itself. Let's see. Edit shape, change the shape. So say I wanted to make it with just softer sides, I can do that. All right, and when I go out of it, if I want to put a color in it, I can do that too. So I can make the background, don't make the background too dark or light of a color, but just so that you know what you can do. Now, when I want to put my map in, let's create a space for the map. All right, I don't have my map yet, but I'm just going to create a space for it. Hope it fits in there, okay? And I'm going to go over to Google and I'm going to type in map of Germany, all right? And there are a lot of different maps. I'm going to pick this one because I seem to like that one. I take a look at it. Yes, I agree, that's a good one. I right click on it and I just say copy image. Now, if you were publishing something, it would be a violation of copyright rules to do that. But this is a paper for your class and you're not denying anyone any income by making that copy. So it's not a violation of copyright to use that. So I just go in, I right click and I say paste, and there is my map. And now if I want to, I can get rid of, I can go back to the outside box if I don't want that line to be out there, and I say no outline. So now you can't see it. I can size this, and even if I wanted to, I could click on the image and say crop and make it a little more narrow or whatever to fit paper. So that's it, just a quick way to show you how to get some of these things done. Thanks, I hope it helps.